Today on the worst mechanic ever.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Mr. Anna, and today I'm doing something that, I said I wasn't really gonna do again, but hey, I'm doing it, it's whatever. And it's gonna be an unboxing of this MAYBESTA microphone setup that I picked up. It's a wireless lapel type microphone. And with this package you get one receiver and two transmitters. I picked it up from Amazon. It was like, I think it was like 46 bucks with taxes. It was probably closer to like 50. But let's see what we're getting here. I'm really not sure of the quality. I've seen other stuff from MAYBESTA and cheaper stuff. The sound sounded decent, but the transmission wasn't all that good. So I don't know. Let's give it a shot. So that was the box. I guess I skipped that process. There's your box. Alrighty, now let's get this guy out of here. I don't need this for now. And let's see what we're getting in the package. So to start off, you're getting this nice little case, which I always appreciate these things. They're pretty cool just for storing, storing stuff, keeping stuff organized. So let's get inside and see what we got here. Alrighty, so here's the units. They do seem pretty small. I'm not sure what a DJI or a Rode one looks like physically. I never held one in my hand. Not sure what the size of them are, but that's not too bad. That's really not too bad at all. I guess I could clip that on a shirt. It's almost big. It's like the size of one of those like sport watches. So at some point I'll be testing these. Let's see what kind of accessories come with this. So we have what we like to call dead cats. Comes with two of them. I believe everything that comes here, it's dual for each of the microphone setups. Here we have earphones with C-type connection. Interesting. So here's another set of headphones. Here we have, this seems like some type of I'm guessing this is the charger cable. So you have one USB to two C connections. So I guess you could charge both of these things on the fly. That's pretty convenient. Here we have two C to C connections. That's what I call them, a C connection. I don't know what the heck they're called. I don't know. I'm not a tech guy, guys. Here we got so we got 1/8 inch connections. Jack connection. So it's your standard earphone. I believe they're also called 3.5 millimeter. So you get two of these, and I'm guessing this goes from one of the units. I guess it goes from here to your phone or whatever you connected it to your camera or whatever. I'm just guessing. I don't know. So let's pull these guys out. See what we got here. Yep. So I mean that's pretty much it for the unboxing. There's a manual in here which I will go through because I don't know anything about this stuff here. So I'm guessing this is your receiver, and these are your transmitters. It has a charging port for your C connection. It has a jack. I don't know what it does right now. We'll find out at some point. So your receiver has power. It has a jack, probably for audio, for your earphones, and then it has two buttons on the side. And this guy has your C connection. It has another jack, and it has three buttons on the side. And on the top it has this here. I'm guessing this is the microphone port. So this is where the audio is entering. And this one does not have one. This is the transmitter. This is the receiver. It only has a power button on the top. And how do you power this guy here? I do not know yet, but we will find out. We will find out. I guess you power it here. And that's it for this unboxing, guys. I think I went a little bit long, but whatever. I just wanted to share this because I haven't seen any of these on the internet, so I just wanted to go ahead and do it. If somebody's looking into getting one of these, I am gonna test it out, and hopefully someday I'll use it for whatever. It's just nice to have something like this. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.